Hi everyone, Justin here to Try and Fly Photography. Episode 1, Season 1, welcome to the journey. Is it working? Are you intrigued? Perfect. Welcome to the channel, to the adventure. It's gonna be a journey. I'm glad that you're sharing it with me. This is Season 1, Episode 1, or Chapter 1, if you will. I don't know. Have fun with it. I'm gonna have fun with it. Anyways, what are we gonna do on this channel? Well, one thing we're gonna do, we're gonna talk landscape photography, do a little infrared photography, gonna do some challenges to challenge yourself and push yourself, maybe do some self-portraiture, gonna talk about lighting and composites and just challenge yourself in multiple ways. Do whatever we can, and hopefully we'll do a little bit of travel photography. Yeah. Woo! So, let's start this bad boy off. Here's a question I think that you guys might be asking yourselves and want me to answer. Why am I starting a channel when there's already millions of other people doing a photography channel? Because there's been people that have inspired me off of YouTube, and I feel that my photography education is eons beyond what it was 3 years ago before I really started actually watching YouTube. So, if I can inspire someone, may it be you. You. I don't know. It's the first channel. There's a lot of kinks and a lot of mistakes I'm about to make. So, make them with me. Let's do this. Let's do it. Do it. As Shia LaBeouf says, do it! Do it! Sorry. Anyways, it's 2019. January 20th or something. I've been thinking about a YouTube channel of my own for quite a long time. And you know what? I'm doing it. And that's why you're here with me. So one thing I wanted to mention, since you guys are just tuning in and may not know me in real life and whatnot, one thing I want to talk about is kind of where I've been and where I am now. So a little bit of my past progression, so I'm not just some idiot with a camera telling you what to do and what not to do. Not that I'm telling you what to do ever. Just want to clarify. Sorry, I changed shirts. It's actually day 2, but don't tell anyone. Shh. Now, this tree you're going to see in quite a few of my images. It is very close to home. I think it's incredibly interesting and very photogenic. And I've shot there with infrared. I've shot there snow, summer, fall, spring. You name it, I've shot it. It's warm to my heart. It's right there. Okay. So this first image I'd been using my camera for a couple years. Thought I was the cat's meow and thought I was a fantastic photographer and should have my own gallery and should be published and whatnot. Well, time has gone by. I've learned a lot and I've become a lot more humble, and thankfully and rightfully so. I mean, it's okay. But this next image that I'm going to show you, I think shows just a wee bit of progression. There's just a tiny bit. Yeah? Yeah. So this image, same tree, different angle, whole lot more skill and knowledge, and I mean, this is one of my favorite images by far. I absolutely love it. It's called Tre Infinitum. Yeah, I mean, I could go into specifics about why I have a single star centered and whatnot, but we'll save that for another time. Guess you're just gonna have to stay tuned. So, what is the point of all this? I haven't always been good. I still have a long ways to go. But have fun. Get out there, shoot, try, develop your passion. Love your passion. And if your photos come out looking blah, awesome. Just means you got to go out and try again, right? Alright, guys. I think it's about time to wrap it up for Season 1, episode 1 on this adventure. Thank you for joining me. Try and Fly Photography. Be sure and check me out on Facebook and Instagram, and that's all I have at the moment. Or you can go to my website, which I'll link in the description. I think it goes down there. I'm just used to other YouTubers pointing down there, so I'm going to follow suit on that one. Anyways, come check me out. Be sure and like, comment, subscribe. You know, tell me I have a face for radio, or I just should stop picking my nose. Just let me know something. Let me know that you're watching this. Because I'm watching you watching me. What? Creepy. Anyways, thank you all for joining me. It really means a lot to me. I hope you learned something. I hope you had some fun. And stay tuned till next week.